This is the Unico evaporator module that came out of that Taj Mahal. I want to see the leak. I want to see if it's coming from there. Hopefully it's not coming from there. But I want to see where this leak is. Daniel's using the brazing rod to seal in that crimped line right there. What do you think, Daniel? Where do you think leak's going to be at? Here or there?
All three.
All three? I guess we'll find out. All right. So that's sealed up. That's sealed up. We will see. This evaporator module is only under 12 months of age. Crazy. All right, moment of truth. Let's get some of our testing spray. Let's see what's leaking. That is a lot. Oh, what do we hear? Well, it's not there. Where's this kind of like it's coming from? This coil isn't coming out?
No. It's coming from somewhere close, though.
Yeah, sure is. What's under this block?
This thing? Like these?
Yeah.
Like little tubing. Oh, sensors.
Ah. Come on, baby. There it is. Coil. There's the leak. See that? Yeah, tilt it this way, get more bubbles in there. Maybe not. The leak is right there. Not on the Teflon TXV. Or the other side, or there either. But right there, on the coil. Let's see if we can get in there. Yep, that's right there, dead center of the screen. See that? Dead center of the screen. There's the leak. That's the bubble. Wow, crazy. Unico. What's up with your quality control, Unico? I hate calling out companies and manufacturers, but damn. What's up with that, Unico? Now, I don't mean to call out Unico, right? Because this could have been any manufacturer. But when you have a little leak on those little loopy things, and some of you are going to be saying, oh, Mikey Pipes, you could have fixed it. For the amount of hours that it would have taken to take this thing out and put it back in, it's more cost effective to replace the entire coil. And that's exactly what we did. And that's why this evaporator module is sitting on my curb here in Valley Stream. It could have been a carrier. I hate to say it, could also have been a Bosch, you know. Ship does happen. Ship happens. But that's just crazy. Let's just take a closer look at that bad boy. All right. Oh, sorry. Right there. See that?
It's a big one, too.
Yeah. Right there. Crazy. She's a leaker. Look at that. Crazy. Right there.